Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet headband. First of all, we will make chain 8. Here I am taking medium yarn, hook size is 3.5 mm. After making chain 8, I am going to make a puff of 5 rounds in middle chain. Pass over the yarn from all the loops on the hook. Then we will make a chain 1. Again puff of 5 rounds in the same chain space, that is a middle chain. Pass over the yarn from all the loops on the hook. Now we have to make 1 double crochet in the last chain like this. Now we have to make chain 3. We'll turn the side and repeat the same procedure as we done before, that we have to make puff of 5 rounds in the middle chain space, then chain 1, another puff of 5 rounds in the same chain space, then 1 double crochet in the very upper chain or chain space, you can say. Again chain 3, we'll turn the side and repeat the same procedure till our desired length. It is a very simple and easy procedure to make a belt or headband or bag strip, anything you want to make. I hope you will like my video, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share it with your friends and family who want to learn the crochet. There are so many videos for the beginners as well. For more videos, please stay tuned. After reaching our desired length, I am going to make this strip into a headband. Here I am going to make single crochets in 3 chains to join the side. Chain 1, turn the side, single crochet in all the chains. This is optional if you want to make a little end point here. If you don't want, then skip it. Chain 1, turn the side, single crochet in all the chains. Now time to join the two sides by using slip stitch. Now after joining the two sides, we have to cut the extra yarn. Then if you want to attach any flower on it or any bow or anything else, this is totally optional here. I'm going to attach a bow here to enhance its beauty. Otherwise it looks so beautiful without any flower and without any bow here. So for more videos, please stay connected. Thank you so much.